Okay, so in today's video, we'll be discussing recurring decimals to fractions. Apologies about the more. So first we'll be doing one decimal place to a fraction. Step 1, you need to make that number a whole number so it's an acceptable fraction. So you need to times it by 10 because we've got one recurring decimal place. Don't need to put the recurring dot above the 6 when doing the equation. So we bring that to 6.66 because the 6 sixes go on forever. We could keep going. Step 2, we now need to make it, well, we need to times by 9 now, and if it was timesing, if we had 2 recurring decimal places, we'd times by 99, 3 would be 999, so to work this out, we do 6.66 because that's our answer there. Take away 0.66 gets us to so get to 6. And then from there, we need to turn that into a fraction. So that's a whole number. We put that over 9 because we times by 9. That can be reduced down to its lowest terms of 2/3. So that's one decimal place recurring. Hopefully you all got that. 2 decimal place recurrings. So for my example, I'm going to use 0.45, and because it's 2, we use the line to fraction. So step 1 is once again to times by this time 100 because we've got 2 recurring decimal places. So that would bring us to 45. 0.45. That keeps going on and on. Step 2 is that times 99. So that would be 45.45. Take away 0.45. Now you don't need to put those zeros in. I just like it there to remind me that I need to take away only in those 2 places rather than there as well. So that brings us to 0.45. Step 3, 45 over 99. That can be brought down to its lowest terms of, so fraction 45 over 99 comes to 5/11ths. So that's how to work out 2 decimal places recurring. Now, for 3 decimal places recurring, we want 0.516 as my example. Once again, the line to a fraction. So step 1, once again, is to times it by the amount of decimals there are, recurring decimals, sorry. So that would be 1000 because we've got 3 recurring decimal places. So you do times it by 3 zeros, bringing us to 516.516. That keeps going on. Step 2, 0.516 times 999 because we've got the 3 zeros there, so we want the 3 9s instead. So that's 516.516. Take away 0.516. 0.615. Step 3 is 516 over 999, because that's our base number, that's our total number. Now, to bring that down to lowest terms, 516 over 999 comes down to 172 330 thirds. And that is how to work out recurring decimals to fractions.